Hey there, welcome to Food Daily. Ready to whip up something scrumptiously unique? Let's start by peeling a potato together. Now, slice the potato thinly for quick cooking. Slice the potato super thin for a crispy, quick cook. Time to fry. Let's get those potato slices sizzling in hot oil. Fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Use 100–200 grams of pre-cooked chicken for the pizza. Let's shred the chicken, perfect for our pizza topping. Grab half a green and half a red bell pepper. Thinly slice the peppers for a colorful pizza. Finely chop the bell pepper strips. Time to sauté that shredded chicken. Sauté the chicken until lightly browned, about 5 to 10 minutes. Add 25–50 grams of butter for extra richness. Gently mix the chicken with the butter over the heat. Season with a peach, salt, paprika, thyme, cinnamon. Stir the spices in. Our chicken's getting flavor rich. Let's start building the pizza. Arrange fried potatoes on the base. Sprinkle cheese over the potatoes. Be generous. Layer the seasoned chicken on top of that cheesy bed. More cheese. Yes, please. Top with chopped bell pepper for a color pop. A sprinkle of sesame seeds for the final touch. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes or until golden. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Potato and chicken pizza ready. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.